So few moments back I got something called betrayal. So look very closely what is happening. People who are following me are accusing me. Now it's a new thing that betrayal. Huh? Who and what and where. So there will be stories out there and I'm what do you call it? It's a cover up thing because look, they sold the data, got the money distributed among themselves, and they want to bury it now. They want to bury it now. And they want to make a run from here because the data is viral, production is gonna use, and there will be riots. The one thing I did is I gave the copyright to entire country without knowing any to every race. So I don't think there should be any race rage, and these are the people cause of the race rage. And while I was living in Victoria, I thought of like this shit is happening with me. So it's just the data, and those are the raw files. So if they wanna do something in their life, let them do. And I gave it to the entire territory that let them do it. What they did is this was not only the theft but the defamation case as well. They helped the defamers from Chembur and damaged the devices. This was not only the theft but a defamation case. They have defamed Chembur scammers from Chembur have defamed me publicly. So this was not only a theft. That was just the data and those are the raw files. I thought of like and make within this territory no Bollywood because Chembur people might be connected to Bollywood. Yes or no, I still don't know. Why they committed so much of crime against me? Because someone was paying them. Either it was the GRDNO, Bollywood, OTT platform, I still don't fucking know. Getting this what? And so they were weakening my case. So I gave the copyright to the entire country where I am wrong. These scamsters selling the data, putting the money into the fake bank account, following me everywhere, and what do you call it? And they are gonna make a run from here, and they are gonna fix me into that, and race rage is going to happen, race riots. I don't think if the copyright is given to everyone, no, it's not that, but the users might create a race rage. I think this is what.